Imagine an AI that writes ads, emails, and website copy for businesses in seconds, and people are charging $50 to $200 per project using it. This AI tool is called Jasper AI. And today I will show you how to use it to make money online. Businesses constantly need marketing. Copy like Facebook ads, product descriptions, email marketing, and website landing pages. But writing this content takes time. That is why many companies hire freelancers or agencies to write it. The tool that solves this problem is Jasper AI. It is an AI copywriting platform that can generate professional content. It generates ad copy, blog posts, and email campaigns in seconds. Let me show you how it works. Step 1, go to the Jasper AI website. Step 2, choose a template like marketing copy. Step 3, enter a prompt like, write a Facebook ad for a fitness product. Step 4, click Generate. Within seconds, the AI creates professional marketing copy ready to sell. Now here is the real opportunity. You can sell these AI-generated services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Example gigs, Facebook ad copy, $20 to $50, product descriptions, $10 each, email marketing, $30 to $100. And you can create them in minutes using Jasper AI. Here is a pro tip many beginners don't know. Use AI Plus editing. Let the AI generate the copy, then quickly improve it. Clients will think you spent hours writing it. If you want more videos about AI tools, subscribe to this channel. And comment AI if you want my list of 50 AI tools that can earn dollars online.